ridiculous four-fingered freak here. Just finished my breakfast. That's right. Time for another video. Today, I'm gonna try something super cool that I bought at Rare Drink Exotic Soda. That's right, my favorite store. And this is what I'm gonna try today, just for you guys. They're called sour smog balls. Now the freak has a lot of balls. They're not very smoggy or sour, although I never tasted them. But anyway, I'm gonna try these today just for you guys. That's right. I bought them at Louis' store. That's right. I'll try them out today just for you guys. Yeah, baby. Here we go. All right. And just in case these are too soury, I'm gonna wash it down with some Pepsi Blue. That's right. All right. So let's see what we can see. So they look like almost like M&Ms, different colors. I have no idea if they're gonna taste different. We shall find out right now. Oh, but first. Oh, I like the sound of that. That does it. All right. So here we go. First one, red smog sour ball. So far, so good. Now the freak is used to eating warheads. I'm pretty sure you all know what warheads are. Very, very soury. These, yeah. Are quite sour in the inside. But I'm going to try a bigger purple one. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I understand now why they're called sour smog balls. And as you can see, there's some kind of, industrial chimney here. Because the outside of the candy is a little bit sugary. But it does have this smoky taste. Yeah, definitely. Now, the outside, not sour. But the inside, when you crack them open like this, yeah, baby. I would say these are as far as sourness goes, they're equal to warheads. But like I said, the outside more sugary and has a smoky flavor. That's pretty cool. All right, so the freak is gonna try 4 in one shot. That's right. Check it out. 4 yellow, green, red, and whatever the hell this is, pink. Here we go. All right. 4 is my favorite number. I don't know why. You do? I got this very the smoked flavor really comes out when you eat 4 at a time. Actually quite good. I like it. That's a good idea. Very good smoky flavor. All right. We're done with that. All right. Wait, crunch time. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Woo! All right. Overall, I give the sour smog balls from Rare Drink Exotic Soda a 4 fingers out of 4. That's right. Great product. As sour as warheads. And like I said, the smoky flavor outside is awesome. I love it. I love it. Let's celebrate with Pepsi Blue. That's right. Alright, this is your pal, Fabulous Four-Fingered Freak, saying, have a great summer. And if you are lucky, you might cross the freak's path at the Rare Drink Exotic Soda Store. See ya, baby! If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe, watch all my other videos, and don't forget to go get some Pepsi Blue at Louis' awesome store on Rachel Street in Montreal. Have a great summer, guys. See ya, baby.